Guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and here we will review a product from IKEA, which is Havberg. This is an armchair and footstool. This comes with two different color. One is gray, black, and ledge red brown. This is the ledge red brown one. This is armchair and footstool. This is just to relax and work. So the quality is completely made up of fabric, and the quality is good. You will not get any armrest, but you do get a footstool along with this price is only for the armchair. I mean, it is named as armchair, but there is no armrest actually. Okay, but the price 32,980 in Indian currency, including this particular footstool. Okay, product purchase link I will provide it in the description section. You can definitely look at, and it comes with 5 years of warranty, which is a really good thing to know. And this is a new product which is a take on IKEA classic. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.